In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. All you need to do is open settings and scroll down a tiny bit to access sounds and vibration. Then tap on this switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations, or on this one next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations when your device is fully muted. When you finished, scroll all the way down and tap on haptics at the bottom. Then thanks to this switcher, you can enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!